Man, I just shot this entire video, and when I went to edit, it was all black. You could only hear my voice. It was a big, I don't know what happened. Everything was right on my end. Whatever. Anyways, check this out. Alligator Alcatraz. Now, I don't have any political qualms with this. I don't care either way. I'm just interested in the traffic this is generating. Check this out. I'm on Google Trends right now. Alligator Alcatraz is kicking off. Okay. Florida, my home state, as you might I don't know, you might not know, I'm from Florida. We have the Everglades, right? We have a very popular road, not popular, it's not popular at all. It's called Alligator Alley. And when I was a kid and we had field trips, we go to the Everglades, we go to Alligator Alley, all that jazz, and see all the beautiful nature and stuff. But as you know, they're building a prison there. And look at these keywords. Is Alligator Alcatraz real or fake? Okay. 350% increase. Etsy Alligator Alcatraz. Now that is brilliant right there. When you put Etsy or Amazon, then you have, you know what I'm looking for. Buyer intent. Beautiful stuff. Now you might not know, but I've been profiting off of TeePublic for years now. I've been piggybacking off of popular TV shows and stuff. Now, I'm not using trademark words. Please be careful. Do not use copyright or trademark. What I'm talking about is creating designs inspired by popular TV shows and keywords. Okay, that's really important. Now, Alligator Alcatraz is not copyright. It's not trademark. You're free to use it. No worries with that. Anyways, check this out. Alligator Alcatraz, mouthful. A lot of news. I went to Crispy Stix and I created this alligator prison guard. Isn't he cool? I created him and then I added him to my gallery. And in my gallery, let me show you right quick. Yeah, by the way, you can create t-shirts with the Crispy Stix as well, not just stickers, which is great because t-shirts is my domain. Okay. I don't have any experience with stickers, but t-shirts, yes, I do. As you can see here, I profit with t-shirts. Last t-shirt I sold was on Friday. Okay. Anyways, what do we got here? Like I said, we're gonna go to the gallery, and I added. Check this out. I added Alligator Alcatraz, the text around. Now, if it was a sticker, I would have combined them. Let me duplicate this. You can sell this as a sticker as well. Let me duplicate that. If I was selling this as a sticker, I would want to combine it, right? So I would apply outline. Now, the wording is a little bit too high, but the idea here, you can't see it because the text is black. But the idea here is that you want it to be close to your sticker so that when it comes out and your customer actually uses it, they can peel it off and it's one big piece. But because it's a t-shirt, as you can see, I raised the text over the alligator, right? Like this. And this is a t-shirt. Again, you can use TeePublic. There's a bunch of print-on-demand t-shirt services you can use. I don't know why, but I get a lot of sales off of TeePublic, so I use TeePublic. If you're interested in this, I'll have a link down below so you can check it out. And that's it. Yeah, this is really cool stuff. I again, I used ChatGPT for my listing, right? I told ChatGPT, hey, listen, I'm making a t-shirt about Alligator Alcatraz. Please give me a listing for TeePublic, and it spit this out. And in seconds, I had this live and hopefully selling for me, right? Okay, be good, take care, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm happy to help. Be good, take care, and see you next time. Bye bye.